Let's start with Model RealTime news. So in this release, we have improved the management of bookmarks. In particular, when you have a bookmarked element that is deleted, the bookmark is now automatically removed in almost all cases. That we also improve so that when you navigate and if for some reason the bookmarked element cannot be found, there is a dialog coming up with a message that helps you understand why that element is missing. We've also improved the documentation tab in the property page. So now you have this greater than prefix shown if an element has a documentation, similar to what we previously did for the C++ general and C++ target RTS tabs. And this makes it easier to see at a glance which elements has a documentation comment. There are also some improvements in the model compiler console, so we are not printing any more problems reported by the model compiler into that console because they were already present in the UML development console. And we want to avoid that there are too many messages printed into that console so that it overflows, so that you cannot see the initial important messages in that console. Then there is also with these releases a new version of the target RTS, and that is shared, as you know, between Code RealTime and Model RealTime. And one new feature in the target RTS is something we call the port full warning. So it allows you to turn on a configuration setting in the target RTS so that you can get a runtime warning in case you attempt to connect to unwired ports in ways that would violate their multiplicities. I mentioned Art Exporter 231, and there are many improvements there, as you will see in the demo. For example, new export options. In particular, we now allow to preserve the folder hierarchy and the package hierarchy and map that into folders. There are improvements in the preservation of diagram layouts and many bug fixes and improved logging, for example.